Good morning, my students. How are you? Hope you're fine. We have learned about past tense, present tense, and today we are going to learn more about future tense. Okay, it's a very easy tense and you have already an idea about it. Okay, so today's objectives are two. First, we are going to identify future tense, its rule and its uses. Second, we are going to solve a very easy worksheet about it. Okay? I hope you find this video beneficial and useful. Okay? Ready to listen? Yes, we are ready to learn. Do you remember this? So why do we use future tense? We use it to talk about actions that will happen in future. The simple future refers to a time later than now. For example, he will visit me tomorrow, okay? Now, you have to know that we use the auxiliary will with all the pronouns to talk about future, okay? For example, she will travel tomorrow. I will buy a car next week. We will be back to our schools very soon, inshallah. So its rule is will plus base form verb. Now, why do we use future tense? We use it to predict a future event that we don't know for sure, but we think that it will happen. Predict means to expect something, okay? For example, it will rain tomorrow. Look, it's cloudy, so it will rain tomorrow. I'm not sure that it will rain, but this is the idea, okay? To form a negative statement in future tense, we add not after the auxiliary will. For example, she will not give up. Mary and Ali will not hurt each other. Okay, the contraction of will not is won't. Okay, when you see won't, don't be confused. It is will not. For example, I think that Wasim won't call me. Okay, this sentence is the same when I say I think that Wasim will not call me. This is only a contraction. To form a yes or no question in future tense, you just invert the subject and will. It's so easy. For example, Hisham will participate in the competition. If we want to make a yes or no question, we just invert will and Hisham. So it will be, will Hisham participate in the competition? Yes, he will, or no, he will not. Deal? Now we have important notes about future tense you have to keep in mind and memorize. Sometimes we use shall instead of will. Shall means will, but we use it with I and we. For example, I shall take a break is the same if I say I will take a break. We shall find the best idea. The second note is verb to be plus going to plus verb equal will, okay? This is another form to talk about future. For example, she is going to clean her room is the same when we say she will clean her room, or we are going to solve a worksheet, we will solve a worksheet. These are the same, okay? Now, will clean is the verb. If I asked you, where is the verb in this sentence, she will clean her room? The verb is will clean, not will alone or clean alone. Will clean is the verb, okay? Now we have learned in this video the uses of future tense. We learned that we use it to predict events that will happen in future. We learned the forms or the rule of future tense, okay, that we use will before the main verb to make it future. We learned how to make a negative sentence in future tense. We learned that we use or put not after will, okay? We learned how to make a yes or no question in future tense. Okay, we invert the subject and will. And finally, some important remarks you have to keep in mind. Okay, please memorize them well. And I hope you found it beneficial.